just came in. You're watching the video and you're looking it up, so you know what it is. It's a coupler. Came in this bag. Now, I try not to use couplers, but when you need them, when you're off by 1 inch or 1 foot, when it comes to the cable run is always better from one end to the other. That I will never disagree with. That is 100% true. But there are times you have an emergency situation and it's not happening. You know, you got the run from the patch panel or from wherever, and you're not making it all the way. So it happens. So I've never had an issue with couplers. I've used couplers. I don't think it's the same. I don't know if they're called couplers when it comes to fiber. I've used them on fiber also. Patch panels tend to be couplers for either fiber or Ethernet. So they work because once you plug into the patch panel, which is technically a coupler, you're getting connection, it works fine. I'd rather have run from one end to the other. In my situation, I don't have a patch panel at home, but I'd rather have one end run from one end to the other. I have to say that I've never had a situation with couplers. Never. And I have dealt with probably this situation 1,000 times when I used to work in the IT section in my job. Just doesn't make it, and you need to buy one of these. And I've never had a problem where one of these failed or it didn't work. They always all work, except I have to tell you, the ones I purchased on eBay. I purchased some on eBay and they came from different countries. And when they arrived, you could see that they were not of good quality at all. They were just really, really badly made. So I tried to get nice ones. So these I have purchased, I believe in the past. They have good heft to them. They weigh, they have good weight to them. And not too much bad ratings. They just work. These are Cat 6, 7, and 8 capable. I have Cat 7 cabling. So these should just work just fine. So this video is more of a look at and maybe a little bit of my opinion on the actual coupler. And again, I've used them, I don't know, several hundred times, several thousand times. I mean, I can't even, I'm not 100% sure, but I used them a lot. I always had 5 or 6 of them with me all the time. Sometimes I needed to do cabling testing and check them out and see, you know, if there's an issue with the cable. They just, you know, I would swap out the cable that wasn't long enough, and I had a 5-foot cable, but the cable is 6 feet long. So maybe I may take 2 of my known good 5-foot cables from my bag, put them together, you know, add the coupler to make the connection to see if the 6-foot cable is bad, you know, to see which ones are bad. So it's always good to have these around. I have them all the time around my home. I still run Ethernet. I've reduced it by probably 90%. I don't have as many cables as I used to have. So I hope that, but the cables that I do have, I want them to work well. So I hope that these work well. They're working to support a 1 gig ISP line. And again, I wish I had a, you know, end-to-end run, but it's not always the case. I'm sure it's gonna work, no issues whatsoever. If I do have an issue, I'll make it a video on it. If I don't, I won't. I'm pretty sure I won't. So, you know, this is just a look at and my opinion on these couplers. They just work really, really, really well. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Oh, sorry. You get 10 for $14. What is that, like $1.60 each or something like that? Very low price. to solve a very big problem. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Look at DEFACE RJ45 coupler cable coupler Kit 8 Kit 7 Kit 6 Kit 5E female to female Ethernet adapter 10 PCS per pack black. 11-2022. Cost $15.99. Purchased on Amazon. Brand DEFACE. Hardware interface Ethernet. Color black. Compatible devices desktop. Item dimensions LXWXH5x3x1 inches. Data link protocol Ethernet. About this item. Fast speed. The RJ45 connector can transmit speed up to 10 gigabit for connecting Kit 8/Kit 7/Kit 6/Kit 5E Kit 5 Ethernet cable. Safe and secure, with nickel-plated contacts and easy snap and retaining clip. The coupler ensures a secure and corrosion-free connection. Compatibility. This 8P8C female-to-female Ethernet coupler jack is compatible with Kit 8, Kit 7, Kit 6 Kit 5E, Cat 5 network. High performance, RJ45 inline jack coupler meets Category 6 performance and compliance with the TEIA 568C, 2 standard and RoHS compliant. Usage. Our RJ45 coupler extender is ideal for extending Ethernet connection by connecting two network cables together. Product specifications. Cable type Ethernet. Color black. Compatible devices desktop. Connector gender female to female. Connector type RJ45. Data link protocol Ethernet. EN 07828551479662. Size 10 pack. Specification MET TIA, RoHS. UNSPSC code 43,201,400. UPC 782,855,147,962. See more. Specification for this product family. Brand name DEFACE. UNSPSC code 26,121,609. Products details. Products dimensions, 5x3x1 inches, 6.7 ounces. Date first available, September 16, 2019. Manufacturer, DEFACE. Austin, B07XI3F3R. Products description. DEFACE Kit 8 Kit 7 Kit 6 Kit 5E Cat 5 RJ45 network line coupler female to female Ethernet adapter. Extend the length of the Ethernet patch cable. Constructed of high impact, fire retardant plastic and nickel plated contacts, these couplers meet or exceed Category 6 performance and compliance with the TEIA 568C, 2 standard. Specification. 1. Connectors, RJ45 8P8C, nickel plating. 2. TEIA 568C, 2 verified. 3. RoHS compliant. 4. Network speed, up to 10 gigabit. Package included. 10 DEFACE RJ45 coupler.